Everyone wants to change their life, get healthier, become more productive, build better habits. But most people fail because they focus on goals instead of systems. James Clear's Atomic Habits is one of the most practical books ever written on how to create lasting change. The core message is simple. Tiny habits, repeated consistently, create massive results over time. And before we dive in, if you want tools to start applying these lessons right away, click the link in the bio. I've put together free resources that will help you build your own system of habits starting today. Clear begins with the power of small habits. He calls them atomic because, like atoms, they're tiny, but they're also the building blocks of bigger things. A single push-up doesn't change your body. Reading one page doesn't make you smart. But repeat those actions daily, and the compound effect is life-changing. Success doesn't come from massive overnight shifts. It comes from small improvements stacked consistently. The second big idea is about identity. Instead of asking, "What do I want to achieve?" ask, "Who do I want to become?" Goals focus on results. Identity focuses on the type of person you're becoming. If you want to run a marathon, don't just set a goal. Become the kind of person who runs every day. When habits reinforce your identity, they stick. And if this resonates so far, pause for a second and hit that subscribe button. I share book breakdowns like this every week, and you don't want to miss the next one. Clear then introduces the 4 laws of behavior change, a simple framework for building good habits and breaking bad ones. Law 1. Make it obvious. If you want to build a habit, design your environment to make it visible. Want to practice guitar? Leave it in the middle of your room instead of in the closet. Want to eat healthier? Put fruit on the counter, not cookies. Law 2. Make it attractive. We're wired to repeat things that feel rewarding. Pair habits with something you enjoy. For example, only listen to your favorite podcast when you go for a walk. Law 3. Make it easy. Don't rely on willpower. Reduce friction. Want to work out? Lay out your gym clothes the night before. Want to floss? Start with just one tooth. Habits should be so simple you can't say no. Law 4. Make it satisfying. Immediate rewards reinforce behavior. Cross off the habit on a calendar. Celebrate small wins. The brain loves feedback, and satisfaction keeps habits alive. The book also covers breaking bad habits. Simply invert the laws. Make the bad habit invisible, unattractive, difficult, and unsatisfying. Hide the junk food. Make scrolling social media boring. Increase friction to stop the behavior, and track your progress to keep yourself accountable. Another key lesson is the plateau of latent potential. Change feels slow at first. You might work out for weeks and see no results. But underneath the surface, progress is building. Then suddenly, a breakthrough happens. Most people quit during the valley of disappointment before results show. Clear's advice: Stick with it, because habits compound like interest. Clear also talks about the power of environment and systems. Motivation fades, but systems sustain you. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Build a system where good habits are easy and bad habits are hard, and success becomes automatic. So what's the takeaway from Atomic Habits? You don't need massive motivation. You don't need perfect discipline. You just need tiny, consistent actions, stacked daily, tied to your identity and reinforced by smart systems. Habits are the compound interest of self-improvement. Small changes don't add up, they multiply. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe for more powerful book summaries like this. And check the link in the bio for free resources to help you start building your own atomic habits today.